In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate Shopify payments. Let's start at the very beginning. Imagine this, you've got your Shopify store up and running, and for one reason or another, you decide it's time to deactivate Shopify payments. Whatever the reason may be, the process is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Shopify website. Navigate to www.shopify.com in your web browser. Once you're there, you'll notice a login button. Click on that button to start the login process. It's your gateway into managing all the intricacies of your Shopify store. Once you've clicked login, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. It's crucial to use the email associated with your Shopify store. Type it in carefully to avoid any typos that could prevent you from signing in. After entering your email, the next screen will ask for your password. Enter it thoughtfully, and then click the login button to access your Shopify admin area. This is where the magic happens, where you'll manage everything from products to payments. Now that you're logged in, your first stop is the Shopify admin homepage. You can think of this as the control center for your store. Here you'll find everything you need to manage your store, but today we're focusing on one specific task. Next, you'll need to find the Settings option, which is usually located at the bottom left corner of your Shopify admin homepage. Click on Settings to move forward with the process. The Settings menu is your go-to for adjusting any aspect of your store's functionality, from checkout process tweaks to payment providers. Once in the Settings menu, look for the Payments option and click on it. This is where Shopify keeps all settings related to how you receive money from your customers, including the Shopify Payments feature, which we are aiming to deactivate. Now, bear in mind a couple of things before we proceed with deactivating Shopify Payments. This action impacts how you handle transactions and may require you to set up an alternative payment provider to keep processing payments smoothly. Also, it's a good idea to review any active subscriptions or bills, as changing your payment gateway could affect these. At this point, you're in the payment section where you can see all payment providers currently enabled for your store. Shopify Payments is typically set as the default provider. Here, depending on the current setup and whether you've got any outstanding balances or disputes, Shopify may present different options or requirements for deactivation. Without specific details on these pages, I'll guide you through a general approach. Look for Shopify Payments within this section, and there should be an option to Manage or a similar term. Clicking this will lead you to the settings specific to Shopify Payments. Within the Shopify Payments settings, keep an eye out for an option to deactivate or disable. This option might be phrased differently, such as Deactivate Shopify Payments or Disable Shopify Payments. Once you find this option, go ahead and click on it. Shopify might ask you for a reason why you're deactivating Shopify Payments. This is standard practice for most services, as it helps them understand user needs and improve their offerings. Fill in the feedback form honestly, but remember you're not obligated to provide a detailed explanation if you prefer not to. After providing your reason or skipping the feedback, confirm your choice to deactivate Shopify Payments. With that, you've completed the process. Shopify Payments should now be deactivated for your store, and you'll be free to explore other payment gateways or adjust your business model as needed. Remember, changing payment gateways is a significant decision and can impact your store's operation, so consider all factors and possibly consult with a Shopify expert or financial advisor, and that's all there is to it. Deactivating Shopify Payments is a straightforward process that you can complete in just a few minutes, provided you follow these steps. Whether you're looking to switch to a different payment provider or simply pause your store's operations, today's guide should have you covered. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more guides on managing your Shopify store effectively. Until next time, happy selling.